Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Chrome is not loading pages properly with different solutions. Chapter 1. Restart connection from terminal. To get started, open the Command Prompt console as administrator from the Start menu. Accept system permissions. Run the ipconfig release command to release the IP address. Now flush the cache with the ipconfig flushdns command. Renew the IP address with the ipconfig renew command. Now reset winsock with the netsh winsock reset command. Afterwards, you are going to restart Windows to apply these changes. When the session starts, open Chrome to see what sites open. Chapter 2. Rename Chrome shortcut. To get started, open File Explorer, then go to the path that we show you where Chrome is installed. There you will select the shortcut, click Rename, assign a new name, then confirm the process. Finally, double-click on this access to open Chrome and see that the page loads. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. Delete Registry Key. To start in the search engine, enter Regedit. Click on Registry Editor. Now you will go to the route that you can see on the screen. There, right-click on the root key, select Delete, confirm the process and check if removal is possible. Now click on Root. There, right-click on the Protected Routes key, select Delete, confirm the process and check if removal is possible. You will confirm if the pages load in Chrome. Chapter 4. Change DNS settings. In the search engine, enter the word network. Click View Network Connections. Now you're going to right-click on the network adapter, select Properties. Here you are going to activate the Use the following DNS server addresses box. Enter the desired addresses. In this case, we will use Google's DNS. Apply the changes. Open Chrome to confirm that the site loads. Chapter 5. Reset Network Adapter. To get started, open the Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Network and Internet and then on Advanced Network Settings. There you will click on Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Confirm this operation. To apply these changes, restart Windows. Confirm that the sites load in Chrome. Chapter 6. Disable Chrome extensions. To get started, open Google Chrome. Go to the Settings menu and there click on Extensions and then on Manage Extensions. There you will disable the extensions to check if they affect Chrome. Refresh the page to see that it loads normally. Chapter 7. Disable VPN. To get started, open the Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Network and Internet and then on VPN. There you will deactivate the available VPN options. Open Chrome and confirm that the site is accessible. Chapter 8. Clear Chrome data. To get started, open Google Chrome, go to the menu and click on Settings. There you will go to the Privacy and Security section. Click Clear Browsing Data. Here you will select the time range for the deletion, click Clear Data. Now validate that the site opens in Chrome. Chapter 9. Update Windows. Click on the Start menu, click on Settings, then click on Windows Update. There, click Check for updates, valid if any apply to Google Chrome. Lastly, open Chrome and see if the site loads. Chapter 10. Reinstall Chrome. To get started, open the Start menu, Click on Settings. Next, click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. You are going to locate Google Chrome. Click on its menu and select Uninstall. Confirm the process. Click on Uninstall. Now download Google Chrome from its official page. You're going to run the downloaded file. Accept system permissions. Wait for the installation to finish. When Google Chrome opens, you will see if the site loads. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.